In this video, you'll learn how to deposit Bitcoins into your MoonPay wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to purchase Bitcoin and transfer to your desired wallet address. Begin by navigating to the MoonPay website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of MoonPay, which allows you to buy and sell. Next, locate and click on the Home button. This option is typically found at the top of the page, and selecting it will refresh your view to the main dashboard. Here, you can access various features for buying cryptocurrencies. After that, click on the Buy option, which is prominently displayed on the dashboard. This will redirect you to the section where you can initiate your cryptocurrency purchase. Once on the buying page, select Buy Crypto. This option will take you to a list of available cryptocurrencies that you can purchase. It is important to ensure you are on the correct page before proceeding. Next, click on Buy BTC to specify that you want to purchase Bitcoin. This selection will guide you to the Bitcoin purchasing interface, where you can enter the amount you wish to buy. After that, click on Select Asset. This action will present you with a list of various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. It is important to confirm that Bitcoin is selected as your asset. Then click on Popular Tokens to quickly access Bitcoin among other frequently traded cryptocurrencies. This will help you find Bitcoin easily without scrolling through all available options. Now, click on Bitcoin to select it for your purchase. This will set Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you intend to buy. Next, type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Be aware of the current exchange rate and your budget, as this will affect the total cost of your transaction. Following that, click on Continue with Bitcoin. This action will take you to the confirmation page for your order, where you can review your selections before finalizing the purchase. Once this appears, click on Confirm Order to proceed with your transaction. This confirmation step ensures that you are ready to finalize the purchase. Next, click on Buy to initiate the payment process. This will direct you to the payment options available for completing the purchase. After that, click on Pay With to select your preferred payment method. You will then see various options for how to complete your purchase. When prompted with the message, choose how to pay, you will have the choice of different payment methods. Select the one that best suits your needs. Now, click on Apple Pay if you wish to use this method for your transaction. If you prefer another payment method, such as debit or credit card, you can select those options instead. If you choose to pay with a debit card, click on Debit Card. This will prompt you to enter your card details for the transaction. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a credit card, click on Credit Card Information. Once you reach the total to pay message, review the amount you are about to spend and ensure you are comfortable with the total before continuing. Next, click on Deliver To specify where you want the purchased Bitcoin to be sent. This is a crucial step to ensure your funds reach the correct destination. Then, click on Make sure this wallet supports Bitcoin. If not, your crypto may be lost. This warning is essential to heed, as sending Bitcoin to an unsupported wallet can result in the loss of funds. Now, click on Enter or Paste a wallet address. This field is where you will input the address of the wallet to which you want to send your Bitcoin. Following that, type in the wallet address you want to send your Bitcoin to. Double check this address to ensure accuracy, as any mistakes could lead to loss of funds. Finally, click on Pay to complete your transaction. This will finalize your purchase and initiate the transfer of Bitcoin to your specified wallet address. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.